Estonian Prime Minister Kaja Kallas signed a joint declaration condemning Russia's invasion of Ukraine with the country's president during a visit to the northwestern city of Zhytomyr on April 24. Kallas, whose country is a member of NATO and the European Union, supported Kyiv's calls for accession to NATO. In the context of the NATO Vilnius summit, we agree to work together to establish a path that will help bring Ukraine closer to NATO membership and pave the way for Ukraine to join NATO as soon as conditions allow, the joint declaration said. NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg said after talks in Kiev last week that Ukraine's rightful place was in the military alliance but did not say when it might be able to join.
I think we have given all that we can, and we just last week by Ukraine, not since the beginning of the international community reacts. If Russia gets away with this, then...
Високоповажності президент України Володимир Зеленський та прем'єр-міністр Естонської Республіки Kaja Kallas. We are to commence the signing ceremony. Розпочинаємо церемонію.
We are also supporting a reconstruction of a bridge in Malin and participating in children's home projects, including with the Olena Zelenski Foundation.
Використовуємо в інших випадках. Скажу відверто, що стосується
Society and people have adapted to wartime.
Шановний пане президенте, з вашого дозволу я буду...
батьки ваші не пробачать.
Це можливо, ми просили б зробити спільне фото на згадку в холі на...
Всередині якісь питання, реформування тощо.
Involved because you have different views how the country should be developing. But I think, opposition, coalitions, all the political parties.